Let us show you how to view and download call recordings on 3CX version 20. Once you're logged into your 3CX admin console, bear in mind you need the right permission to access recordings. On the left-hand menu, click Admin. Click Recordings. You can use Filter to search for desired recordings. You can use call type to search for internal calls, external incoming calls, or external outgoing calls. You can also filter by date range, today, this year, or you can set a custom range. For example, let's say I want to see all the recordings for a particular agent on a particular date. Let's say July 1st to August 29th. Once I type in the agent's extension number, this helps me pinpoint exactly what I am looking for. Once I have located the recordings, you can now view details like time, duration, participant, and also the sentiment analysis score. If you want to know more about sentiment analysis, let us know in the comment section. To download the audio, click the download icon and the file will download as a WAV file. You can also view transcription and summary, though keep in mind it may not always be fully accurate. If you're planning to download multiple recordings, version 20 supports bulk download. Just select the recordings and click Download Selected. Now, a quick note about storage. 3CX can quickly fill up your server if recordings are stored locally. If you'd like us to show you how to manage storage and archiving in 3CX, let us know in the comments and we'll make a tutorial for that. Don't forget, we're offering 3 hours of free remote support for any licenses purchased on our shop. You can reach out to our team and there will be somebody available for your questions and inquiries. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.